If you want to share a Google Map location with your friend and you can't do it, then this video is for you. It is very easy to share your location in Google. First of all, you have to open your Google Map and tap on the location. After that, you have to swipe up right side. Now here you will see an option of share, just click on it. When you click on it, many options will appear in front of you. You can share through message, you can share through mail, and you can also share through WhatsApp. So here I click on WhatsApp. Now here you can select any of your friends and send it to them. Now here you can see the location which has been sent and the link has been sent. In this way, you can share the location of Google Map.